Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to bleed brakes on a Ford F350. First, gather your essential tools: a wrench, a clear hose, and fresh brake fluid. Before you begin, make sure your master cylinder reservoir is completely full. Safely lift your truck and secure it on sturdy jack stands, ensuring easy access to all four wheels. This preparation is crucial for a smooth and effective brake bleed. Start the bleeding process at the wheel furthest from the master cylinder, typically the passenger rear. Attach one end of your clear hose to the bleeder valve and submerge the other end into a container with a small amount of fresh brake fluid. Have a helper pump the brake pedal 3 to 5 times, then hold it firmly down while you open the bleeder valve. After the rear wheels, move to the front passenger wheel, then the driver's front. Repeat the pump, hold, and open valve sequence for each wheel. Watch the fluid in the clear hose. You want to see a steady stream without any air bubbles. Always close the bleeder valve tightly before your helper releases the brake pedal to prevent air from being drawn back into the system. Once all four wheels are bled, carefully lower your F350. Test the brake pedal for firmness. It should feel solid, not spongy. Top off the master cylinder with fresh brake fluid to the maximum fill line. Remember, proper brake maintenance is vital for safety. Also, for an effortless home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.